Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Melinda. I love doing unboxing videos, and today is none other than a unboxing video. I just got this epic package from a friend who sent me this. From a epic Facebook group I'm in called Undead Beauty Queens. I have barely zero makeup on except the lippy, which is my ultimate favorite, from I think Too Faced Nude Beach. It's awesome. As you see, here she is. It's the box. I blocked out my number, my address, and all that info. So let's get to it. As you see, I didn't even undo it, but let's get in. See? Scissors. Usually I do this part offline, or I usually leave like this right here with intact so that I can do it on air, sometimes online here sometimes, but today I wasn't feeling it. It just came like about not too long ago. Not exactly too long ago. It arrived, I think, at 3 something. I was about to eat at that time frame, so I could not do this video at that time. But I knew it was coming. My friend tagged me in the thing, in the little post, and so it looks like this. It seems like there's a couple things I want to say in here. As you see, it has the brown wrapping paper, which is awesome. I cannot believe it. Oh, I've never tried Glam Glow. This is like one of the 3 sample things you get. It looks like this. I've never tried it, but that's pretty cool. It's from Glam Glow. It's called Glam Glow Star Potion Liquid Charcoal Clarifying Oil, which has turmeric, vitamin C, and salicylic acid, which I think I need. Yeah, I think I need it. I have no idea. I've never tried any Glam Glow. I've seen Glam Glow at like TJ Maxx and all that stuff, but I've never ever tried it in my life. I saw the packing slip from my dear friend, my dear friend Jenny, and I'm like, when I saw that it was the Huda Beauty thing, I'm like ecstatic. Yeah. Oh, so it basically says shake well before use, apply 2 or 3 drops to freshly clean face and neck every morning or night, massage evenly in circular motions, follow with moisturizer if desired. Perfect after any Glam Glow mud treatment, which I don't even own any of the Glam Glow, but that is awesome. I love the name of this, and it's so cute. Yeah. And this, I've been dying to actually try Milk makeup. I've been dying to try this. Yeah. I think, yeah, these will match me perfectly. It goes up to from fair to medium, which are all in my spectrum of usual foundations I wear. That is awesome. It looks like that. It has all of the 4 on there, which I'll read it to you. It is Milk Makeup Sunshine Skin Tint. I love like the foundations like this. I like light medium coverage unless if I'm going out for the day or night. If I'm going out to, let's say, a bar, I like to go a little bit more full, medium full coverage. But let's get back to this. It is called, it's by Milk Makeup, called Sunshine Skin Tint, which has SPF 30 in the shades Fair, Light, Sand, Medium, which are all cool. I think this one, medium, may be a smidge too dark, but fingers crossed it will work. Once again, another product I've never, ever used by Belief, which I've heard many YouTubers talk about, and it is so awesome. Yeah, I definitely need this. Yeah, I definitely do. Whoa, that is awesome. Boost elasticity. Yes. It provides intense moisture up to 26 hours. That's like a day and a half, I would say. Which is awesome. Yeah. I can't wait to try this. And now to the thing I've been dying for. I've been dying for this. I have in my collection, which I absolutely love to death. It's Huda Beauty, I think Desert Dusk. Yeah, that's what I have. I use that palette like phenomenally. I think I got that palette around the same time frame when I got my Jeffree Star Androgyny palette. Oh, I love this. I love it. Yeah, I love this. I'm like, oh, my prized possession. Oh, my prized possession. I absolutely love, like, nude-ish eyeshadows. I do. I absolutely love her formula. So, it basically says on the back, introducing the Huda Beauty New Nudes eyeshadow palette. Huda's fresh take on the nude look. 18 gorgeous shades ranging from cool to warm tones, including 10 buttery mattes that blend seamlessly with your skin, 4 multi-reflective shadows with versatile pearly to iridescent finish, 2 pressed glitters for an opulent touch, 1 pressed pearl for velvety shine, 1 concealer base to make your shadows pop. From minimal, I woke up like this look to a show-stopping iridescent lid. This eyeshadow palette is your new must-have to enhance your beauty on any occasion. I am freaking obsessed. I'm obsessed. I love this. There's like not many palettes I absolutely love, but her formula is to die for. I am so thrilled. It looks like this. There it is on the back. I love her big mirror. Yeah. It has, I'm not going to blind you. It has this. I'm going to put that over the mirror. Like, I see so many good things about this. About it. I'm like, when I saw she posted that about keep an eye out for your mailbox. I'm like trying to see what what it was. Like, I'm gonna read you the names. I should totally do a tutorial with this. If you want a tutorial with this palette, please leave me a girl emoji down in the comments. The names of these are, I'm reading them row by row. Row by row. You know, first all of these. So there is a bear, which looks like a shade I'd totally wear. A glitter called Crave. Play, which is right here. Fantasy. Love Bite. Oh my god, I love that. I love that name. I love that color. It's like, I don't know how to consider it. Say it's like a brown, kind of like a burgundy-ish color. Spanked. Lace. A Daydream. Tickle. Well, let me consider it this way. 4 regular shadows. First row, there is 5 glittery shades and like a bunch of mattes and shimmers. Lace. That, I absolutely love that color. It is one of my faves. Daydream, Tickle, Excite. Infatuated, Kinky. There's the concealer shade. Secret, Tease, Raw, Charmed, and Teddy. I cannot wait. I am happy. I cannot wait. I can't wait. I'm like, when I saw the packing slip, I got so excited. I'm like, I cannot express how happy I am. How happy I am. I can't. I'm lost for words. You know, I'm lost for words. I had like about 3 months, 3 entire months of just random crap between me and my boyfriend and stuff like that, and to find out that I get a surprise in the mail. I'm like, I actually, from her, before this, I received Troublemaker, the palette, and the mini mascara. The mascara, which I absolutely love that a lot. It's one of my favorites. I use the palette often. I use it very often. I just like, sometimes I like to tone it down a smidge. The mascara is good. I think I found a possible dupe for it, which is gonna be coming up in a video sometime sometime soon, and I cannot wait. Today I am happy, ecstatically happy. I cannot say any more. But this, oh, I can't wait. A fave, definitely hands down. I've heard so many awesome things from different YouTubers about this palette. I'm like, I will definitely put this to good usage. that is it for this video. If you want to see any video, whatnot, please leave me an idea in the comments, which would be awesome. I'm always looking to branch out and create some epic content on this channel. I hope you have an awesome day, no matter where you are, day and night, whatever. And I hope you come back to my channel to see more content. I hope you enjoy this, and please stay tuned. There's more coming. More beauty related stuff coming to this epic channel of mine. And that's it. And if you don't like me, you don't have to watch me. That's it. Bye.